All right, CSS battle time. Maybe it's August 9th. It's the letter M. Okay. So it's repeating, so I would like to do a repeating background, but I don't know an easy way to make that shape with the background. So we're going to not do that. So I'm going to select my HTML or make its background that color. Normally, when I see this shape, I think this is a pill with a border. These little darker colors are, however, interesting. Could do a border color. Let me change the border color there. I don't know. But I'm going to start making some shapes. I'm just going to select a paragraph. I mean, I can make one of them a margin, but I don't know that it saves much. So paragraph, padding, let's see, 100, another 100 is 30. Border, 30 pixels, solid. It's going to be a lighter color. I have to have the paragraphs if I want them to ever show up. Border, radius, 30 pixels, 60 pixels. Margin, it's not big enough on the border, it's 40. Maybe it's 40. Margin. We're just in the way, little cat. 30. I type 20. Looks like it might be 30, might be 25. 30. 200 minus 30 minus 50. Oh, it's not big enough. Okay. 120. 130. And 0. Okay, let's make this more to 50. Got all kinds of things that are wrong here, but that's okay. Let's try 280. Doesn't push it anymore. So this is going to be minus 20, minus 30. Top's going to be higher. 20. Little cats don't belong on tables. 25. Border reduce even more. Yes. All right. That'd be more. No. Minus 30, minus. It's not exactly lined up. Minus. What is 25? 28. 28 looks right. All right. Now we need more of these. You're being so needy. Okay, I'm planning on just cutting that off with another border around the outside. The real trick's going to be that different color on the bottom. But for now, let's go ahead and make the rest of the M's. So I need another paragraph selector. So let's select the sibling. And it's going to be margin. I'm going to start with margin 0 just to see where this thing is. maybe. Minus 100. There, we're starting to see it. 200. 250 minus 50 minus 78. Oh, let's try. Nope, not that much. Maybe something like that. All right. Okay, getting close. 43, 38. All right, not exactly right. Okay, 260. That's not helping. 60, 72, and then 3. Until it's too high. Yeah, not high enough. 40. Okay, there's the second one. And then another paragraph selector, margin, and I need the paragraph or it's never going to show up. Little cats don't belong on tables. All right. Start with like minus 500. There's the thing. Okay, minus 520. Nope, the other way. 480. 90. That's a start. 220 minus 50 and 150. 160, 70, 72. And now we need to push it down. So it's minus 400. I have two of them in the same place, 350. Maybe it's the same, 340. Okay. There is the next one. Now, what do we need to do? Make these things. So, I know I need another paragraph that's going to be border. Actually, that doesn't matter. It's going to be margin. Let's start with the same thing, 340. Okay, there is the thing. Could be more than that. 380. 2. The right margin technically can be 0. That's why border radius matters. Okay, I didn't think it mattered, but it does. Border radius 0. Border is going to be 50 pixels, solid, yellow. Still not wide enough? Maybe not. Go 60. Curious as to why. I'll make it red for a minute. Interesting. That's 50. 0. That's 20. All right, top needs to go up higher. Let's make it 4. go to, and let's make this minus 18. And then if we make it yellow, has a background, unfortunately. Background. Okay. Bottom needs to come up minus 40. Why is the bottom not coming up? It is. The bottom's not coming up because of its padding. So the top needs to go up. Okay. This color. All right, that should be a match for the basic shape. I'm seeing a little bit of wiggle there. We'll see how that goes. That has me a little worried. All right, but how do I do this bottom part? I mean, I'm just going to throw in an element and put a linear gradient there because I'm not smart enough to do anything else. So, mother sibling selector. I'm going to say border 0, background red, margin 0. Now it's gone. Minus 300, 200, 100, 10. What should that number be? 1. Come on. Maybe 110 was right. All right, border 0, background's red. Padding is going to be 30, 0. Margin needs to, it's going to be easier if it's something like that. 60, 70, 72, 0, 10. Padding, I think, is too big. Yeah. 15, 14, 15. Neither of those looks great. All right, background. Linear gradient is going to be the dark color, the yellow color, the dark color, the yellow color, and the dark color. And I have missed pasting. That's dark, yellow, dark. I need a yellow. I need a dark again. And it's going to be 90 degrees. It's going to be, what is that, 30, 40 pixels? So it's going to be 40 pixels. 0. What is the padding? 30. 70 pixels? No, half that. Or double that. So it's going to be 30 plus be 90, I think. Then it's going to be, I didn't need that space. 0, 1, 20 pixels. Yeah, I'm short. That's going to be 100. And this is going to be 130. And 0, 190 pixels. That looks wrong. 0, 100. Previous one's wrong. 140. Okay. That looks kind of right. It's been 15 minutes. I got a match, which is good. Background's used 3 times, so I'm going to say var minus b comma. Where is background? There. Padding is only used twice. Border is used 3 times, which is going to help border radius. It's only used one other time, but it's long. So R minus R. Margin is used all over. Var minus M. This is not a great solution, but we're going to make it as short as we can. What are we talked about? Padding. It's only used twice. Can we save on pixels? Should be 84Q. See if it still matches. 63Q. That one may not match. That's closer. 2Q. That one it didn't like. 43. Let's try. That looks worse. Yeah, we're not doing those. All right, we're going to minify. We're going to call it done. This is going to be a long one. Yeah, this is not a great solution to this. Hopefully other guys, Seth centers the dev on YouTube. He records videos of these. He often has some very clever solutions. He thinks of some things that I don't. But today we're going to have a 400 character solution. I hope. Yep. Okay. That is it for today. We have like a minute and a half left on my 20-minute time box. So see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.